Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Morning. Good morning. Maths. Let's start maths. Yes, Ritisha, what you are asking? Yes. You all have practiced profit and loss sums that we discussed in the previous class, that is yesterday. We discussed that there will be two types of sums will be coming, profit, to find loss in a word problem form and then in a regular straightforward form. Okay, so if it comes in the word problems, then full statements you have to write. If it comes directly, then solve directly. All right? You all must have practiced the sums which I gave. Now, today we are going to start symmetry. Open symmetry. Symmetry, page number 219. Symmetry, page number 219. Mute your mic. When we talk about symmetry, symmetry means a line that divides any figure into equal parts. When it divides any figure into equal parts and give the mirror image. This is a figure. Which symmetry line is going to divide the figure into mirror image? This line. Vertical line. This vertical symmetry line is going to divide the figure into two equal parts. That means mirror image. So a vertical symmetry line is dividing this figure into two equal parts or the mirror image. Similarly, if I draw another line, another figure, this is a figure I have drawn. Which type of line is going to give the mirror image in this? Horizontal. If we are going to draw this type of line, then it is going to divide the figure into two equal parts or mirror image. Okay. Now, similarly, there are few letters in English alphabets which gives the mirror image after dividing by vertical line. Some gives mirror image after being divided by horizontal line, and some gives mirror image after you dividing by both. So this O can be, if I take a single figure, only one, like this it will be divided. Also, like this. So vertical and horizontal both. Okay. Yes. If I take this B, then I take A, and then I take H. I take this letter, and then C. I take alphabet C. Now you will have to tell me in these alphabets which kind of symmetry line will divide them. In B, horizontal line. Horizontal line. Then in A, vertical. In H both, and in G, no line of symmetry. In G, no line of symmetry because this is an alphabet which cannot give the mirror image either by vertical nor by horizontal, neither by both. Okay. So when we talk about line of symmetry in exam also you can get the question like this. Page number 221. Page number 221. Question number 3. This question you may get in the exam. Make a list of the letters of the English alphabet having vertical line of symmetry, horizontal line of symmetry, and having both line of symmetry. Okay, so practice this question. Put a tick mark and write there, practice in rough. Put a tick mark on this question and write practice in rough. Then written, Manvi, where are you looking? Then come to the next page, 222. Come to the next page. Now come the pattern question. Pattern questions, you have to look at the pattern and see where the figure is being turning or changing. We have done question number 2. Yes or no? Yes. Put a tick mark and write there practice in rough. You can also practice the same question in book only. After rub the pattern that you have already done, then do it again as a practice. Okay? Then come on to the page number 227. Page number 227. Now here, give 2 examples of a cube. What are the 2 examples of cube? Tell. 2 examples of cube. Cube, ice cube is there. Dice is there. Cubic dice is there. Then ice cube is there. Yes. Very good. 2 examples of cuboid. 2 examples of cuboid. Kshitij, you tell. 2 examples of cuboid. Kshitij will answer 2 examples of cuboid. Kshitij, answer. Yes, 2 examples of cuboid. Shoebox and okay, butter box and shoebox and 2 are enough. Okay. Then 2 examples of cylinder. No, cylinder we are not doing. Then draw the following nets. This is important question. Put a tick mark and write practice in rough. Draw the following nets. You have to draw a cube and a cuboid. Cube. cuboid. Okay, so this question is important. Put a tick mark and write there practice in rough. You have to make cube and cuboid net. We have done this sum in the copies previously while we were doing the chapter. Yes or no? Yes? So you should know how to draw it. Important question. Very important question. All right. Come on. Page number 229. Page number 229. Now here you have to, here the question is also there. Here you have to make a cube of 1 centimeter. Measurement is given. Cuboid is given. This question also we have done. So you have to measure with whatever measurement is given in the question. Using that measurement, you have to make a cube and a cuboid. Cube has all sides equal. Cuboid has length, breadth and height also there. Cube has sides. Cuboid has height also. So put a tick mark and write practice in rough. Yes? So what are the questions that you have to practice in rough? First, page number 229. Then page number 227. Question 1 and 2. Question 1 and 2. You have to write the examples of cube and cuboid. Plus you have to practice of making cube and cuboid nets. Means you have to practice making this figure. Okay? Then practice page number 222. Pattern in book. Page number 222. Patterns in book you have to practice. And then page number 221. Question number 3. Practice in rough. Question number 3. Practice in rough. All these sums we have already done in their copies also and we have revised also. So by now it must be very clear to you that how we have to make cube and cuboid, how we have to draw the line of symmetry, okay, and how we have to change the patterns. Clear? Okay. So this is your work for today. Practice these sums.